We interrupt your regularly scheduled YouTube channel for this important announcement. Okay, maybe it's not that important, but it's a cool trick. It's a cool tip. So I'm going to make a quick video about it. So I'm in the middle of this process of sanding some Apple boxes or bandsaw boxes. And, there are a lot of different sanding techniques. The one I use is I use 80 grit to kind of get the bandsaw blade marks off the bandsaw box, smooth things out, shape the box, take off the hard corners and the hard edges, and round them out a bit. So that's what I've done on these, right? So the 80 grit, again, just to kind of round out the edges, shape it a little bit, take care of any edges that were from the glue up where there's, the wood didn't meet up exactly right and so on. But you'll notice something on these boxes right now. No, my 7-year-old and 2-year-old did not get a hold of my pencil. But what those are just pencil marks. I just take a pencil just like this, nice big fat pencil. It doesn't have to be sharp. And then just lightly scribble all over the bandsaw box or all over the surface. And just make some marks in all the different places, especially the spots where I want to make sure I pay some attention to sand. And what that does is, as I'm sanding, those pencil marks will come off. And that helps me know when I get into the finer grit sanding, because in finer grit sanding, you can't always tell where you've sanded and where you haven't. So those pencil marks are a nice indicator of where you still need the sand. Don't press too hard in the pencil because you could create little indentations in the wood, and the pencil marks are deep down in there, and then you have to really sand pretty hard to get them out. So avoid doing that. Just a light pencil mark all over the body of it tells me where I've sanded and where I have not. So there you have it. Just a quick little sprout to explain, a nice little tip about using your pencil, marking up your whatever you're sanding, just so you can see where you've sanded and where you haven't. Hope this helps. And until next time, take care. God bless.